In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Honda Ridgeline located at the base of your windshield. The passenger side wiper blade needs to be in the upward position. You can't lift up on the arm to gain access to a release tab unless this is up. So we're going to flip that up. You're going to fold the wiper arm up, and there's a little tab on the bottom right here. It's a little spring tab. You're going to push towards the wiper arm itself. And while you're pressing in on that tab, you're going to wiggle the arm down, or wiggle the blade down and through. So this is a J-hook design, and it basically slips onto the arch of the wiper arm or the wiper itself. Be careful not to let this slap down and hit the glass, as you will break your windshield. Take the new wiper, make sure that the arch part is facing upward. Insert the J-hook into it and pull up. And you can feel it snap into place. Give it a little tug down and make sure it's locked in. Now, if your particular wiper has these little white end caps, simply slide these off. There's usually one on each side. Lower the wiper down gently. You're going to repeat this process for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.